Yo, what's up, guys? FaZe Commands here with another Clash of Clans video. Today we are gonna be showing some replays of this base, and
Hey everyone, this is Heather with Clash of Clans Tutor.
Sorry about that. We're just gonna be collecting all this stuff right here. Got some good defense wins. So let's replay the first one. Some wonderful drives, whole bunch of them. Right away. Those giants just get taken out by the boss. Didn't get through half of my base. Okay, so let's go see. Alright. Let's get some damage. Oh, I can't. Okay. Dragon. Wait. Not done yet. Alright. Oh, okay. I think a pretty good, I think we're gonna probably win this one, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, game over. Well guys, I'm gonna probably bring out a video of the day this actually starts. So be tuned for that. Oh, that's gonna be a challenge for one of my friends. Just got the 100 towers in one spot are actually pretty good. Once you get into there, it's just moving. So let's look at the first place first. Alright, not too bad, not too bad. Maybe I can put in some rage spells with some dragons and some wizards along the way. And some minions. Maybe some balloons. Yeah, maybe balloons instead of minions this time. Because those minions get wiped out. That's actually pretty good. Only got one air defense really. Ooh, the next person. Alright, that's really easy. Don't even got any defense. I could probably actually do some balloons. Maybe some dragons too. A balloony dragon. Yeah, that's funny, balloony dragon. You're getting that face up right there. Get rid of that trunk. Cool. You saw one of my last videos in Clash of Clans? That came out very poorly. The quality is just unbelievable. It's just amazing. I'm just kidding. So yeah, let's turn some troops up. Let's just get 2 dragons in there. Get a bunch of those in there. Some of those. And the rest just barbarians. The only reason why I'm gymming is because of YouTube right now. So yeah, there we go. No. Alright, only 2 more hours for my spell factory. Yes. Go ahead, yes. Look at that. Alright. I'm probably gonna wait until my spells are done for this. Well, actually, no, let's just go ahead and attack. It's gonna take way too long. I'm gonna be bored. Alright, I'm gonna find a good base. Why did my brother drop down my trophies? I can't find anyone now.
I want to do a video guide that makes
Oh man.
for clan work.
Alright, yeah, got that. Shut up. Alright, here we go. Here's a good base. We're gonna attack him right there. Where's his air defense? One's right there. Now it's just sending 2 dragons right there. Yeah, it looks like we're demolishing this place. Actually, works pretty well. Alright. That works pretty good. Got a bunch of stuff back. Elixir and, well, mainly gold. Yeah, so one more thing, we're just gonna probably watch another replay right here. This guy wasn't very good, I guess. Actually, I just wanted that elixir, that's all my storage is, so. Huh. I didn't. Oh, okay, yeah, he didn't steal anything. See if anyone needs anything. Right. So let's go donate to these pretty bad people. Okay. Alright. wizard. Just for donating in the clan war. Because we always donate. That's why I used to join. Join right here. See how we're doing in this thing. Oh, we're going up. Oh my gosh. 14 defense wins. That's amazing. Okay. That's beautiful. Uh-oh, loading. Alright. I didn't realize I had that much. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Please do like, favorite, and subscribe. And comment down below if you want to see more of these videos. Or to see more stuff that's more like hacks and all that. And also put in the description if you want to see how I record my screen on my iOS device. So see you guys later and peace out.